right, so let's do it. What's she doing with your bulldozer today?
I'm putting a light on it. Now it goes on like this.
Put the big one on first.
Oh, oopsie. Wait, is the big one this one?
No, we'll set that one aside. That one actually doesn't go on.
Oh. Oopsie. Where are you? I can't see you. Like this. Oh, there you are. You over here.
You over there?
Now that goes there. Now use this bolt to tighten it.
There you go. Hey.
There we go. Should go like that.
You want to tighten? Look at that. Other way. Yep. That's loosening.
Wait.
Clockwise tighten. Yep, like that. Mint. It's fun working on your bulldozer, huh?